brothers, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Dhruvisha Lalwani from Standard 7th C, standing here to speak few lines on what is prayer. Basic meaning of prayer is talking to God. Prayer is not meditation or passive reflection, it is direct address to God. Prayer is a way of relating to God, to ourselves, to those who are around us. Thank you. Now I will request all the students to stand up and take your prayer position.
Give me oil in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Keep it burning till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me joy in my heart, give me praising, praising, praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, give me praising, praising, praising. Keep me praising till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty, and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Friends, get ready for school anthem. Position yourself. Keep your right hand on your left chest.
We will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our true and of love in nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name. Fill us with joy and graces, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name.
Stretch out your right hand and get ready for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country,
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich and varied heritage.
its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
to my country and its people.
to my country and its people.
My happiness lies
My happiness lies
in their well-being and prosperity.
in their well-being and prosperity.
Now I request my friend for the thought of the day.
Respected father, teacher, and my dear friends, I am Yashvi Andara from Standard 6B, standing here to say the thought of the day. Education is the most powerful weapon which we use to change the world. Meaning of the thought. Education allows us to understand what happens around us. Through education, we become thoughtful about what happens around us. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.